Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms who are engaging in content marketing so that they can drive traffic to their business in order to do business. Now, if you're like, Stacey, help, my Instagram account isn't growing and I don't know what to do. I'm lost. Am I wasting my time? The answer is likely no, you're not. There's some problems that might need addressing, but the good news is it's all within your ability to solve these problems. I'll show you. You're not the only person who's struggled like this before. That's why I made this video, to explain what to do when your Instagram isn't growing 2020. Let's do this, mama. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're marketing your business online and through social media today. But before I forget, in my recent video, how to create more content on Instagram, I shared a couple of ideas that can magnify your content creation on Instagram to save you time, effort, and bandwidth. Things that entrepreneur parents are super short on. I know from experience myself. So be sure when you're done watching this video that you check that other video out. Okay, on with the show. Problem 1, no plan. When I say no plan, I mean either literally you have no plan and you've been winging your strategy on Instagram, which isn't a platform you should just be winging it on, or I mean figuratively, you have a plan, but it's not a real plan. You have a plan that might include bots, pods, and other stuff that can absolutely, positively destroy your work on Instagram, which is why I recently published a video entitled What Will Destroy Your Instagram Profile. So after this video, that should also be on your must-watch list. How a plan of attack for Instagram. I've got a playlist on this YouTube channel that will help you when it comes to Instagram marketing, so I'll put that playlist link in a comment that's pinned to the top of the comments in the show notes down below. Okay, now after you watch all of that, you'll know what not to do, and you'll have more of a plan of what to do instead. That's for sure what to do when your Instagram isn't growing 2020. Watch my videos and get a major plan together, mama. Then there's problem 2, no captions. You may hate to write, but I'm telling you, brush up on that skill or hire someone else to write copy for your captions. They're out there. You can hire them on a variety of platforms. And if you don't know where to start, comment down below that you need help and I'll make some recommendations for you. No affiliate link or anything like that involved, okay? If you don't hate to write, but you've just been lazy, or maybe you didn't understand why captions are so important to grow your Instagram account, fine, I'll tell you why they are right now. First of all, captions provide context for the Instagram content you create. Be it a feed post you want your audience to slow down and read, an IGTV video that you're trying to convince your audience to view, or even now an Instagram reel that might be up to 15 seconds long, but you can go back and unpack what's going on in that reel in the 2,200 character caption that a feed post, an IGTV video, or a reel enjoys access to. And in each of those 3 cases, you can use some of that caption count for up to 30 hashtags. So you should use all 30 hashtags as part of that caption, and you can grow your Instagram account a lot that way. And you'll grow your business too through macro conversions like more followers, more email list opt-ins, and sooner or later, more sales. Every hashtag represents another way for each piece of your Instagram content to be found in search on the Instagram platform. People are searching for content on Instagram all the time, so treat it like a social media search engine, because that's what Instagram really is today. But your caption has to entice the reader to consume your feed post content, watch your IGTV video, or watch your reel, or understand why those 15 seconds are crucial. So captions and hashtags hashtags go hand in hand in terms of importance. If you need help with hashtags, watch my video Blow Up Your Instagram with this hashtag strategy, and you'll thank me for it. But in the meantime, get better at writing a caption that encourages consumption and contains a call to action in it, and get more people to your content and by proxy your Instagram account or profile with more intelligently used hashtags. And that's also what to do when your Instagram isn't growing 2020. But wait, you've also got problem 3, no variety. Variety is the spice of life. If you keep things fresh in a relationship with friends, family, loved ones, then you get a better quality of relationship as a result, right? You can't keep doing the same things over and over again and still feel fresh, still keep people interested, and so on. You know that. So remember that when it comes to your Instagram content creation, if there's no variety to it, people will get bored and not follow your account if they found you through search, and or if they followed you, they'll stop caring to come around and check out your profile to see what's new. So you can't have all or mostly quotes, memes, and things like that. You can't have just a parade of pictures. You can't have still images and never video. You can't never do lives and expect to create a thriving community. You can't skip IGTV and Reels altogether. Your account will feel stodgy and stale. And you can't really let a day go by without Instagram story content being posted. People love stories, even in late 2020, where they'll consume 85% or more of the story content that appears up top in their home screen. So you've got to cover your bases on the daily there, on the daily with Reels at least, and weekly at least in terms of doing lives, IGTV videos, and feed posts that are truly packed with value. If you're stuck on how to create more content to cover yourself from day to day, week to week, I've got some suggestions in my video entitled How to Create More Content on Instagram. It'll help you, and you'll probably be surprised at how easy it is to multiply a single piece of content on that platform. So mixing things up and keeping it fresh for your followers and general audience is also what to do when your Instagram isn't growing 2020. But you know what? There's also problem 4, no engagement. Your captions should include a call to action that entices your audience to engage with the content it corresponds with. You could ask for them to post a comment to give you feedback on an upcoming product that they learned about after consuming, let's say, a piece of feed post content you created. If you showcase a service in an IGTV video, your caption should ask for engagement in terms of feedback on what your audience learned after watching it. And if they have any questions now that they've watched it, because you'll answer those questions. People love to be asked, they love to give feedback, they love to ask questions, but folks are busy. So you have to directly ask for the engagement to get it. And be sure to engage back once you get the engagement as soon as possible, because the Instagram algorithm loves it. Your captions should also include another call to action from time to time, and that should be driving people to your link in bio by saying simply, you should go visit the link in bio to get X so you can do Y. And that link should be to your email opt-in form. That X item should be a coupon or some other form of opt-in asset or goodie for them to enjoy. You know your niche, you know what they want and need, right? And Y represents the benefit to your audience member will get if they visit the link in bio, get the opt-in asset, and use it. I discuss all of this and more in another video of mine entitled How to Use Instagram to Grow Your Email List. It's actually controversial but ethical, I promise you, and it works like a charm. So if you ask for engagement and you're engaging back when you see comments and or receive DMs or direct messages from your audience, that counts too. That's also what to do when your Instagram isn't growing 2020. The humans will be happy, you're paying attention to them, but the AI or artificial intelligence running the algorithm on the Instagram platform will be happy too. There's more data points for the algorithm to surface with each engagement in connection with your content and your profile as a whole. And it's more likely to promote out your content for you if things score or rank highly enough in the algorithm. Really? Then there's problem 5, no consistency. If you're not consistent in terms of your content publication to Instagram, then you're not likely going to have much of an audience in terms of followers who are dialed into your digital brand experience on Instagram. If they're not dialed in, they aren't coming back to your account to see what's new. They're not attending your lives if they're pinged by the algorithm and told you've gone live, or they see the color ring around your Instagram profile icon at the top of their screen. They're not going to care. They're not going to engage because you seem like a flake as an Instagram content creator, which is what you are even as an entrepreneur mom engaging in social media marketing on that platform through creating and posting content. But if you're not consistently posting content, you won't be top of mind with your Instagram followers. There won't be much, if any, sense of community, and they won't care enough about you, your brand, and its offerings if all of that is flatlining. So creating a content calendar to plan out content week by week will help, and publishing a steady diet of content will too. A live at least once a week, same day of the week, same time, an IGTV video published once a week on the same day, Instagram Reels and story content on the daily, a nice value add feed post published at least once a week. So if you're not doing those daily, then publish once a week again at the same day around the same time. Being more consistent with content creation is also what to do when your Instagram isn't growing 2020. And if you're like, look, Stacey, all that's cool, but you know what? I'm watching this video right now on YouTube, and I have a YouTube channel, and it's kind of stale and not doing well right now. Can Instagram help me with that? You know what? You'll want to stay tuned for the next video in this series, which is literally entitled, How to Use Instagram to Grow Your YouTube Channel. That'll be a big help for you. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and select all so you can follow along with this entire Instagram series that I've got to offer you. Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can help to blow up your business. And of course, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.